Hey people, so we are at this place called Belgian Waffle, and Ayush is having a Nutella. And Ayush, you can take the first bite of this also. First, have that Nutella, and I'm having a Belgian chocolate. So, this is how it looks. It's a very small, cute place. But Ayush, is it good?
Yeah.
And apparently, there is something known as the Waffle Day, which is 19th July, and that day you get any waffle for $100. And I also can't wait to have my waffle. But this is interesting. So I used to take a bite of this and tell me how it is. Oh, okay. Can you? Yeah, that's good. So these waffles are for like 150, 180 bucks, but they seem really good.
Not a lot.
Okay, hold it, hold it. Hold it, my love. So yeah, it's so difficult recording and eating, and especially since this is a place we just stand. So this is in Kukatpally, and it is amazing waffles in the rainy weather. Are you sure enjoying these amazing waffles in the rainy weather? Okay.